What is an NFT? An NFT, or non-fungible token, is a type of digital asset that represents ownership of a unique item or piece of content. Unlike traditional digital assets, which are interchangeable and can be easily copied, NFTs are one of a kind and cannot be replicated. They are often used to represent items such as artwork, collectibles, and other unique items that have value. NFTs are stored on a blockchain, which is a decentralized digital ledger that allows for the secure transfer of ownership of digital assets. What is the goal of an NFT? The goal of an NFT is to provide a way for people to own and trade unique digital items in a way that is verifiable and secure. NFTs allow for the creation of digital scarcity, meaning that they can be used to represent items that are rare or one of a kind and therefore have value. NFTs have a number of potential use cases, including representing ownership of digital art or other types of creative works, enabling the buying and selling of virtual real estate or other assets in virtual worlds or games, allowing for the trading of collectibles or other rare items in a way that is verifiable and secure, providing a way for artists and creators to monetize their work and build a community around it. Where can I buy NFTs? There are a number of places where you can buy NFTs. Some popular options include OpenSea, Nifty Gateway, Rarible or Super Rare. You can also find NFTs for sale on various social media platforms, such as Twitter and Instagram, as well as on forums and communities related to NFTs. Some NFTs are also available for purchase directly from the creators or artists who made them.